Most owners assume a valve cover gasket failing is just bad luck, age catching up with a rubber part, the way every rubber part eventually gives out. The record says something more specific is going on. This isn't one seal. BMW molded the valve cover gasket and all 4 spark plug tube seals into a single piece, one part doing 4 jobs, instead of 5 separate components bolted together by hand. That was a real engineering win, not a shortcut. Fewer parts to misalign during assembly, fewer places for a technician to install a seal slightly wrong, 1 gasket instead of 5, torqued down in one motion instead of 5 separate ones. For years, it works exactly as intended. No leaks at the cover, no oil in the plug wells, one clean seal quietly doing the job of several components at once. On a well-maintained N52, that first decade is largely uneventful. Owners forget the gasket exists at all, which is exactly what a well-designed seal is supposed to let you do. Here's the part that one-piece design doesn't advertise. Because every spark plug tube seal is molded onto the same gasket, a failure at any single point can send oil down that specific tube. Not across the whole cover, into one tube, right onto one spark plug. Heat cycling around the plug tubes hardens that rubber over roughly 8 years, the same way it does on most rubber gaskets in this engine bay. Once it hardens, it stops flexing enough to keep sealing around that one tube, while the rest of the gasket can still look perfectly fine. That's why this doesn't always look like a leak. Oil pools inside the spark plug well itself, fouls the plug and the ignition coil sitting above it, and throws a misfire code. Nothing visible drips onto the driveway because the oil never actually leaves the tube. And it rarely stops at one tube. Once the rubber has hardened enough at one seal point to fail, the identical material at the other 3 tube seals is usually just as far along. A second failure inside 12 to 18 months is the norm, not the exception. A misfire code points straight at ignition coils and spark plugs almost every time. That's not an unreasonable read of the code, it's just the wrong part. Shops replace both. The misfire comes back within weeks, because the oil sitting in that tube fouls the new coil and the new plug exactly the same way the old ones were fouled. Same symptom, same code, brand new parts. The tell is what's actually sitting in the tube. Pull a coil and look inside the well before replacing anything. Oil in the tube means the gasket, not the coil, and no amount of new ignition parts changes that. This is the trade-off nobody talks about. Combining 5 seals into one part made assembly better and reduced installation errors on the production line. It also means one weak point, hidden inside a tube nobody looks at first, can imitate an ignition problem for months. BMW didn't build a bad gasket. They built an efficient one, and efficient designs concentrate their failure points instead of spreading them out. That's the trade they made, whether or not anyone downstream ever noticed it was a trade at all. Side by side, a decade-old gasket has visibly stiffened at the tube seals, while the surrounding cover sealing rubber still looks completely fine. One part, one integrated design, and one very specific point where it eventually gives before anywhere else does. Not a bad part, a smart part, with a failure mode that was never going to look like what it actually was.